The Northern Technical College, Nortec, was opened in 1959. It was started by a private charity before the government of the Republic of Zambia took over in 1964, when the college moved to its present campus. The Northern Technical College is renowned for its continued provision of quality technical and vocational training. Nortec has for a long time now been contributing positively to the socio-economic development of the nation. It has produced highly qualified manpower that has been meeting the needs of industry in the engineering sector. The college also boasts of managing to bridge the gap between classroom and the real field world through its hands-on training and its state-of-the-art equipment. Mr. Victor Mlenga is the college principal.
Northern Technical College is essentially an engineering institution which has produced many artisans in the economy of our great nation. We train students at trade certificate level, at craft certificate level, at advanced certificate level, and at diploma level. In the past few years, we've concentrated on producing diploma holders, seeing that this is the biggest engineering college in the country. We have left lower qualifications to trade schools, which are dotted around the country.
Nortec's vision is to be a leading engineering institution in technical and vocational training in the region. To achieve this vision, it has been refocusing and ensuring that it provides training that is relevant to industry. Their strategic plan, which runs up to 2021, is acting as a guide to achieving this vision.
What makes us stand out is the fact that we are up to date. We continually interact with industry, to update what we are doing, because unless we are relevant to industry, we will be wasting our time. We stand out also because we also are able to introduce new courses. We don't wait for the government to push us, but the initiative comes from us. We in the past 3 years started a number of courses, but we are proud of the biomedical engineering course which we started. And with the help of the government of the Republic of Zambia, we agreed with DFID of the UK to purchase equipment, hospital equipment, because this biomedical engineering course is about the repair and maintenance of hospital equipment. As you may be aware, we've had no institution which has been training technicians and technologists to repair our hospital equipment. So some of the hospital equipment has just minor faults and put aside. But we thought that this was a niche that we could also venture into, and we had our first graduates this year.
Mr. Mlenga has also given credit to government and other partners for supporting the college.
And therefore, if you visit, and I'm sure our viewers will be able to see the kind of equipment that we have acquired, both through the help of the government of the Republic of Zambia, and also with some of the public-private partnerships that we have engaged ourselves in. We particularly are proud of the heavy equipment repair partnership that we have forged between ourselves and Volvo Sweden, funded by SIDA, project implemented by UNIDO. And that kind of arrangement of 4 organizations coming together usually is not very easy to pull out, but we have managed. And again, when we visit the workshop where this has been implemented, you'll see that we've done a great job.
Nortec has full-time and open distance learning. It also facilitates for tailor-made programs and intensive courses. The college has 4 academic departments, as explained by the head of Department Automotive and Heavy Equipment, Mr. Aupot Banda.
We have 4 academic departments. That's electrical, automotive, mechanical, and applied science and business studies. Now, looking at the courses that are taken care or run into these departments, we have applied sciences. In applied sciences department, we have diploma in science laboratory technology and production operations management. We also have diploma in computer systems engineering and a certificate in computer systems engineering and certificate in computer studies. While in mechanical engineering, we have diploma in mechanical engineering and also advanced certificate in mechanical engineering. We also have advanced certificate in metal fabrication. We have advanced certificate in mechanical drafting. We have also craft certificate in mechanical fitting. In automotive, we have 2 diploma programs. And that's we have automotive diploma, diploma in automotive engineering, diploma in automotive engineering mature entry, and we also have diploma in heavy equipment repair engineering. Then we also run bridging courses in heavy equipment repair for one who has done auto electric or automotive mechanic and would want to do heavy equipment repair. We also have another department which is the electrical department offers the following courses: diploma in electrical engineering, diploma in biomedical engineering, diploma in instrumentation, and advanced certificate in instrumentation and advanced certificate in electrical engineering. And we also have refrigeration and air conditioning. We also do tailor-made programs. For example, we have hydraulic, electro-hydraulic engineering, which we are able to run on site and also right here in the college. We also run programs like refrigeration on site and also right in the campus. When I talk of on site, we are referring to we run these colleges, these courses at in the industry, where we send some lecturers to run these programs for either 2 weeks or 3 weeks. For example, there was one where we were there in Romana for 6 weeks. Yes, so these are tailored programs to meet our clientele. We have 3 intakes in a year. We have one in January, second one in May, and the third one is in September.
Unlike some colleges that just teach their students theory, Nortec's strength is in its equipment, well-equipped computer rooms, laboratories, and workshops.
Students spend more time on the practical hands-on skills, right in the labs and in the workshops. We have quite a good number of labs that really enhances training for our students, which you will never find them anywhere. And we also have availability of modern training equipment. So we have quite a lot of modern equipment that we have. We have state-of-art training equipment that you'll be able to find even in the departments. Our premises have also internet and wire facilities. So students don't really just have to go to the library. They can have access to internet at any point of the college. So it stands out. You'll never find it anywhere apart from Nortec. And we also have a big bus, okay, that is able to take our students out for tours, academic tours, and also for games.
With the advancement in technologies, computers have become a key component in engineering. That is why Nortec does not want its students to lag behind in as far as using computers is concerned. It is compulsory to do basic computer studies.
These people that you see here, they are students. It's compulsory for every student who's coming to Northern Technical College to do basic computer, because they might be in the industry and they come across machines where they're supposed to use their laptop or a computer. And also to open an email, they need to send us emails, and also to browse on internet. Jobs this time, adverts are posted on internet. So you expect them to be more knowledgeable on the computer.
Nortec prepares its graduates to quickly become productive upon entering the workforce. United Nations Industrial Development Organization UNIDO project coordinator, Mr. Leonard Mlenga, now takes us through some of the facilities under heavy equipment repair.
This is the electrical lab, where we're taking the students. Previously a mechanic would only know how to fix things, but currently the technology that we have in the industry is that they should also have a knowledge about electrical. So these are our diploma students, the first batch, which started last year. So we've taught them how to maintain electrical things and also how to make circuits. So the first circuit here was showing us the parallel connection, and the second one was showing us the series connection. Now the last one there was showing us the starting circuit for the machine, where you need electricity or voltage to go direct to the starter motor. It shouldn't pass through anywhere. There shouldn't be any load in between. So they need to know this. So once they know about this, then we ensure that they can also fix a machine electrically. So we want them to be multi-skilled, mechanically, electrically, and also hydraulically.
Some of the students doing heavy equipment repair feel Nortec is the best in as far as training is concerned.
Our lecturers are always on time. Our workload is good. We've got enough practical equipment to work on. The theory part is excellent. We've got projectors. We've got Wi-Fi in here. So whenever we need to research, we don't need to go on phones. We can research just in class. There's a computer.
Well, this course is basically based on hydraulics, electrical, and general maintenance of machines. So this program is quite helping us as young engineers to get advanced in our learning. For example, previously at Nortec, we never had no electrical boards. On the hydraulic part, we never had the steering, which is like the one that's very advanced. Like the equipments that are being produced at the moment, they are more advanced. So all these things are helping us to be more advanced as well. Not whereby we go in the industry and find things that we never saw. Whatever is needed is here.
Nortec has also made it a point that female students are encouraged to take up courses that are considered to be for males in society. It has a bias towards enrolling female students.
This is the main course of heavy equipment. Hydraulics is very important. First of all, I'm just happy about our female student. We've been going around schools to sensitize the female pupils to come on board, that they do engineering courses. Others think like that maybe engineering courses are dirty. They would wish to go for teaching, nursing, or even journalism. But you saw from our lady there, she's clean and she's knowledgeable. And engineering is very good paying.
One of the students, Maureen Chinene, says it is possible for females to perform in industries that are deemed to be for males.
I'm doing heavy equipment engineering diploma. I'm sure we are the first bunch in Zambia. What I can say to women out there, they should come on board. It's not only teaching, nursing, and the other activities that they can do. They can manage even here. I'm old, but I'm able to work just like men do. So I'm inviting especially young ladies to come on board so that we can make a better Zambia together. They should not shun away from these courses.
This is a simulator room where we've got a simulator. It's a two-in-one, the excavator and dump truck. We're not only training our students to be mechanics or engineers, we are also training them how to operate, because we've seen that the world is changing. We need to have a two-in-one person, someone that can operate and also can maintain. You saw that it's a female student who's there operating. We've got a lot of females now operating these heavy equipment machines. So here it's a full package for a student. When we train them on how to maintain, we also bring them here to know how to operate. This is open to the community also. It doesn't need any skill or any education. As long as you can be able to write 1, 2 and your name, that's all. So anyone at whatever level of education the person reached is welcome here. When the screen is in vertical, it is an excavator. Now when we rotate it, it becomes horizontal, then it becomes a dump truck. Then we also change the gadgets that are there. Here we put the steering for the dump truck and also for the gear lever, because the way it is right now, it's an excavator. Yeah, this machine feels like you are on the actual machine, like the excavator. Even when you are driving, you feel it. It is being simulated in the way that when you switch it on, you'd feel like you are in the mines or you are in the construction sites where everything is doing. There are even people passing, vehicles, everything. We've put it like it's an actual thing. Soon, come December, we expect to have an excavator brought here from Sweden by the Swedish Embassy, so that Northern Technical College can continue leading in the engineering institutions. And we also, at the moment, we try to negotiate with Zambia National Service. They help us with the actual machines when we are training the students.
Nortec has also been training technicians and technologists.
Biomed has been kind of like a very difficult but exciting course for me. Coming into it, I just thought maybe all we'll do was just learn about hospital equipment, but we actually learn about how the equipment works on patients and how we're supposed to work with them and how we get to deal with other people in the hospital. So it's been quite a fun experience, hoping that a degree program would be introduced, because I would really like to do more of it.
In this section, we mainly handle all automotive systems for light vehicles, and we can include light trucks. So Northern Technical College, as it is known, we don't just train students for theories, we train them to go and work in industry. So these are hands-on products that are going out there to work. And so we have those that we are training specifically to go and handle automotive electrical, and also we have those whom we are training to go and handle automotive mechanics, talk about suspension systems, the transmission, and all the systems on the vehicle, excluding the electrical. Now, because there are so many advancements in electricity and electronics, that is why we've taken it upon ourselves to make sure that we also equip even the automotive mechanics to have the hands-on experience even on the electrical part.
Nortec has a well-stocked library and other facilities that make learning and studying conducive. Business Development Officer Matthew Zinkonde says the college has a number of facilities.
At Nortec, we have quite a lot of facilities. Facilities ranging from classroom, workshops, computer labs, recreational facilities. We also have a sick bay, and we have internet facilities. These facilities are able to support the learning of our students, and this is one reason why the students should come to Nortec.
Florence Nakazwe-Piri did heavy equipment repair at Nortec. She is currently working for Bell Equipment. Florence has proved that the kind of foundation Nortec lays is strong enough to make someone work independently and efficiently in industry.
I'm the first and only female technician to work for Bell Equipment. I'm actually a technician here. And I was at Nortec from 2011 to 2013 August. The things that I learned at Nortec are actually the things that you find in the industry. Nortec is a very good school. It's very disciplined. They will teach you how to be disciplined and how to implement the things that you are taught in the industry. We had more than 150 guys and the ladies were only 3. And I would advise other ladies that are finishing their grade 12 exams to do heavy equipment repair. It's actually a good field.
Her supervisor, the service manager, Mr. Joseph Malaika, was also at Nortec. He says he is happy with the performance of most of the graduates from Nortec.
Nortec is one of the best technical schools in the country. When we were there, we had a good time. We had all the training that we actually needed. And if I look at my workshop now, it's 3/4 that the technicians that I have are all ex-Northern Technical College students. So it's a good school. It produces, I can confirm, it produces good students, and we are all doing fine.
Nortec has also made it a priority to work hand in hand and closely with industry. Recently, the college entered into a technical and engineering collaboration with Lubambe Copper Mine Limited, dubbed the Nortec Lubambe 2017 Collaboration Framework Action Plan. The collaboration is aimed at establishing new skills development initiatives aimed at bridging the gap of what is happening in industry and what is being taught at the college. Representing Lubambe Mines is engineer James Kasanda.
This technical and engineering training collaboration, which has been thought to be brought into existence by Lubambe and Nortec, I think is a good gesture, which is going to try and reduce the time frame required to reduce the gap analysis between the TVET institutions, which are under TVETA, and the mining industry. The Nortec Lubambe initiative must be taken as a showcase and as an example, which must eventually be able to be spilled over or transferred to other mining industry companies. The biggest question one may ask is, why embark on this collaboration training initiative? I wish to put on record that historically Lubambe has been visited, as I said, by various stakeholders. And obviously we have seen the deficiency between the skills and the curriculum. But I'm made to understand that the processes for reviewing the syllabus under the TVET system, they take close to about 4 years. And it is quite a laborious task. And I'm also aware that as a sitting member on the TVET Skills Advisory Committee, which sits quarterly to review the 60 low entry skills that review the task of the skills in the mining industry, is quite involving in terms of scaling up the standard to attain both the theoretical and the practical standard thresholds required. Hence, this initiative to set up a Nortec Lubambe Training Collaborative Work Action Plan 2017 to assist, it will assist as a quick fix and as an easy alternative whilst waiting for the long-term interventions or solutions.
Nortec principal Victor Mlenga is grateful that Lubambe Mine has come on board to ensure that knowledge imparted in students is what industry needs.
We are grateful that Lubambe Mines has been forthcoming. It is not very easy to engage industry. We have tried with several other companies, and it has been very difficult because we seem to find industry more interested in other things rather than training. But our thinking is that if training is done properly, the benefits to industry are great. And the only way we can do training well is when there is collaboration between training institutions and industry. And therefore, we are 100% committed to what we are doing and we are about to do with you.
Many of the students trained by Nortec upon graduation do not find it difficult to get in industry because of the kind of skills imparted in them. Nortec will continue being an important institution to the nation and beyond our borders.